That car has much better cuts than my 650 had. A whole lot better.
Good afternoon. Today is July the 14th, and I'll be showing you a quick video of your vehicle. I want to start off with these lower bumper scuffs on the bottom edge. Now I want to go to front tires. Front tires measure at 8/32. Good condition, wearing evenly. Same thing with the right front, 8/32. Both rear tires are at 7/32 and also wearing evenly with no abnormal wear patterns. Want to go to rear suspension. Everything looks good, nothing out of the ordinary. Same thing with the left side. Rear drive shafts and boots look good. No signs of damage or wear. And rear differential looks good with no leaks. Exhaust system looks good, no damages. Your transmission and engine oil pan look good with no signs of leaks. Right front suspension, everything looks good. No signs of damages or abnormal wear. Do want to point out these thrust rod arms look fairly new, like if they've been replaced on both sides. And left front suspension also looks good. I'm gonna go to your front brakes. Front brake pads measure at 8mm. Have plenty of life still remaining. And rear brakes measure at 6mm. Rear left wheel has a little bit of a scuff mark right here. You can also see there's a little bit of a bumper damage, scuff marks right here. Overall, this vehicle is in good condition. There is a couple of maintenance things I do recommend, like a coolant flush, replacing the battery. Your battery is a factory battery from 2014. Based on those control arms and tires, I also recommend a alignment. Again, my name is Carlos. I hope you find this video helpful, and thank you for coming in.
This report is sponsored by JCPenney. Back to school season is on. Stock up now on first class savings. Back to school season starts now. Stock up now on first class looks and best in class savings. Score all the essentials plus limited time specials like store-wide doorbusters all weekend while supplies last. Weekdays are back in style at JCPenney. And hey, I definitely got to give a big Triple D salute to everybody holding back to school day drives this weekend, man. Shouts out to you if you give it back to the community in a major way. We love to see it over at the big station. High today gonna be hovering around the lower 90s. Right now it's 74 out at Clyde Warren Park downtown. With your weather and traffic, I'm Trey G on K104. This is where Baby and DFW's hip hop and R&B reside.
Let's see, I think this thing has rev matching. doesn't have real matching. So quiet. There's no way to make a V6 sound good. I don't care how many YouTube videos you watch. I don't care how much they think it sounds good. It's a V6. An inline 6. It's just not gonna sound good. And I don't care whose car it is. There's just no way to make it sound good. To me, all of them sound like bugs. They either sound like they farting or Putin. Fart, fart. Poo, poo, poo. What the fuck? You just can't do nothing with a damn 6-cylinder car. That's why I'm not gonna even try. I'm not gonna put an exhaust on it. If I do an exhaust on it, it's just to make it breathe better and maybe get some horsepower, but it ain't gonna be for sound, because you can't do nothing with it. I mean, I have yet to see a 6-cylinder car that sounded like anything but a farting, Putin, weak ass 6-cylinder engine. And it might not be weak. I mean, to be honest with you, some 6-cylinders you can put out 6, 7, 800 horsepower, but it still sounds like shit.